Anyway, good afternoon mga kapimpos na kabuto. Nag-order pala ako ng perfume sa TikTok and now just arrived. Now it's time to open and we will check. Okay. Worth 139. Alam ko 1,000. Sana all. No kaya tingnan natin. Nakapisnitan. Nakapistan. May mga paputok na naman ako. Ano kaya? For this video mga kapambos na kabuto, ito pala yung order ko. Okay? Tingnan natin. Buy one take two daw. Sabi. Ito pala guys. Soft cloud. Ito guys, oh. Look at this. And, kano pa niya. Ito pala guys, oh. So far, perfume. Look at this guys. Well, check this guys, okay? I got buy one take two worth 139. And this one. Charon. This is one guys. Ay, Tan, nagpaputok-putok ka na dyan, Tan. Tan, look at this. Look at here. Hey, Tan. Say hi, guys. Hi, mga kapimpos na wala kabuto. Hi. Ito na yung perfume natin. We will spray it in our body. We will check. I don't know. This is good or not. Kamot naman guys. Mga pika-pimpos na makabuto.